country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Erica don't come out, come give us pole dancing lessons and did not sit well with Nigerians. And also, Phyna don't come out, come reveal the reason why she not go ever marry person like Groovy. But before we enter the video, I want to say happy new month to everybody. I dey happy say we see the new month. Those of us will be say they hear my voice, and I hope say this month will bring us God blessings and more money. This one will be say dollar do high so onto the matter wey be say dey for ground. Erica, she dey do pole lessons. She dey learn how to dance for pole. You know that kind thing wey be say Chichi dey do before she enter Big Brother house, na erotic dancing. So na wetin Erica dey plan to do. She dey try to learn how to dance using pole to explore the sexiness wey be say dey within her. But the thing no come turn out the way the girl plan, because as she post the video, Nigerians dey not take am lightly with her. The video come dey cause a lot of laughter. Me sef, I no go lie, I laugh because the thing dey very funny. As we all know, Erica, if they talk of one housemate, maybe Naija housemate wey be say get money, na Erica na be the first person wey will come your mind. For all the disqualified housemates so far, Erica na the only one of them wey be say we go fit talk say this particular person, she work very hard to acquire everything. I'm not saying that the others no work hard to acquire their own, but for Erica, I know to say Erica gets a lot of reasonable endorsement there. When I talk about endorsement there, I'm not talking about organic cream. I'm not talking about all those wine where we say that they do those, their red wine where they do. I'm not talking about those type of. I'm talking about real endorsement deals with solid brand where we say get name, like the likes of Buy Power, Legend, Star Radler, Samsung, travel agency, like something where we say they very loud. So that's why they call her one of the richest female BB Naija housemates of all time. So as it seems, it can't be as if she not see what she won't use money do again. She said make she go start to learn pole dancing. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, I beg try me you subscribe, hit the like button, help me drop your comments for the comment section below, and also help me share this video. And I thank you. So this is the video of the pole dancing where we say she dey do, where we say people they insult her for. So make we just see some of the reactions of how people they see this her newfound hobby. So the first person can say she's pretty but doesn't have the flair that comes with it, which means to say she fine but the sexiness dey there. And that person can say Erica na fine babe, but I don't know why her sex appeal is 0. This is 100% my opinion. The next person say if it didn't dey, dey. When you are done, climb down and go inside. Hey, you guys are not nice at all. So the last person here say queen of black yash. I beg, nobody should come for me. All I see is black yash. I don't think a woman in her right senses go just the body shame another woman. Some people, not everybody go get yellow bottom. Some people almost black. You know mean to say na they cause na just the way nature just create them. The next person say, why set yourself up for drags like this in a country where some people know they okay normally? My dear, even to say they drag her for that pole dance, she they do. I just think she do her because she just like the video. She must have watched the video and she say she like her before she post them. So another one can say, what is the meaning of this? Now the next one say, I really should have leave IG at this point. God says, judge not, and I'm trying my best, but I can't see this and not judge. What is it? What is this? What exactly is this? Beg make una leave star girl. Life is too short for person to dey worry about what people go think about am for am to do wetin make am dey happy. If dancing on the pool makes her happy, wetin concern us for inside. So onto Phyna matter. As we all know, it's like now when new month won't enter or won't enter new year, Phyna they always give us something to laugh about, something to talk about, and which is very good though, because in my own opinion, the girl, even though say she'd always behave like a colo person, she'd always make me laugh. So she can't come out, can't they explain for her the life where we say she do for what's it called, Snapchat yesterday. She dey explain to say the reason why we say she not go fit marry quiet person. Say she gets her own reason. Say she won't marry person will be like her. Where we say if they scatter everywhere, they go scatter everywhere. Say if the person won't attack her, the person go say she too she go attack her about those type of things. So as she make that statement, Nigerians call it say wetin dey worry this one type of thing. So make una just listen to wetin she talk before I go drop fans reaction for the matter.
My husband, me not. So that's when you count that, check the. Okay, wait. For example, now, the customer you describe the kind man who I go marry. What you go describe? Oh, my husband supposed ja. See, me and my husband, all my husband, they just would they rapport, not be others. Hey, nah. I would they. I want to marry a lively person like me. Oh, ha. I want to marry a lively person like me. Somebody that before you go even know say we be husband and wife. Huh. Don't go fed the where you before you go know say we be husband and wife. So that kind of person. So that kind of person me I want marry. I not do for those high. Okay, no, make I marry my spec. Will be my spec. I marry person will be the same thing. Although the Charlie Poppy vibe, all those kind of men I want marry. We be say even you, if you want hurt me, you go no say more. If this guy want zoom me you back. But everybody has their choice now. I don't want a quiet man. Before I wanted to have I really wanted a quiet man, but I changed my mind. I don't want make I don't marry person will be like me. So that if he sets nobody they hold anybody. Everybody they para. Do you get? So yes. Now be that's what we're talking about. Igbo man. Well, I for once Igbo man, but the last Igbo man, the last Igbo man that I was with, I beg. Igbo men, I don't know. I just feel say their family too they doing their business. So nah, I'm not doing that. So I think I would rather go for an Edo man like me or a Yoruba man. I like Yoruba. I've always wanted to get married to a Yoruba man.
So now don't hear Phyna now. More than all of us say they laugh because anything where we say and Phyna they talk, the thing they always do very funny. Normally Phyna na Chris normally. You just want to make imagine this person where we say she talk say she want person like Charlie Poppy. Now she say she want that type of person and she want marry. Like wow God. The house go just they feed with vibe. Make they just they look for trouble anyhow. Okay, make we see fans reaction for this her statement wey be say she makes so. So the first person here can say, how far sha you go marry Portable? Another one can say, does she have mental illness and who is she? This one say your mumu too much. Another one say, but people voted her in BBA, encouraging this level of raz. Now you all are complaining. What do you people want? Well, I not see say na I don't know whether na Igbo she dey grind for that table or na snuff because the way she dey do her nose, you sure say that girl no dey high like that? The next person say groove change Phyna mind, slow poison. God please give her funny worry as she wants. From that video you go hear when Phyna dey talk say groovy. Even though say she not mention groovy name, she said the last Igbo man wey be say she date say their family dey always put mouth for inside their matter. And na truth, she not lie. Igbo people where they una not to say una men na so they just be with them. Their family, their sisters go shook their mouth for the matter. Their mama go shook mouth put inside their mouth. Their family just dey invested in the relationship. So not everybody want that type of suffer for a marriage. Another one can say Portable do your thing, your sister wife is here. The next one say go and marry Portable. The last person say na crusher Phyna hold so which means say that Igbo crusher now. Because say my dear smoke your loud in peace, make you live long cap. Okay, I'm not okay waiting anybody talk about Phyna today, but you see the fact say Phyna make me laugh this new month. May God help me bless her. I just hope say no be highness make Phyna the witch say na person like Charlie Poppy she won't marry. God abeg o, not listening to that thing where we say she dey talk abeg. Even if she won't marry her type of person, abeg, it go good say make she reason person where we say at least e not really reach that Charlie Poppy kind of craziness. At the end of everything, abeg say no to drugs. Una take care, una bye.